Good morning everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this one. I hope you are going to stay and enjoy it. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. Please consider yourself subscribing to this channel because we do lead content. It's home vlogs, it's cleaning motivation videos, it's laundry videos, we do grocery hauls, anything about home you will get it here. So yeah, today I just said, okay, let me clean this corner. I have a problem, guys. The wall there on the side of the curtain, it's peeling off. I think it's getting moisture and then it's peeling off. The paint is running out. So during the week, guys, I just clean here in front, like mom at home. I don't get enough time to just thoroughly clean all the things, but this day I decided, okay, let me clean that part and remove the peeling off of that paint and some plastering. I think I need to just remove it and plaster again because it's not looking good and it's disgusting. So do get to clean with me. I'm just going to motivate you guys, or you will be motivated to clean your next day. I don't know, but yeah, I hope you will enjoy the video today and stick around. Don't forget to watch the ads too, because guys, it keeps me motivated also, and it grows the channel too, because we also need to upgrade our standard, buy equipments, beautiful ones that can give you those quality things. Yeah, this is the part whereby the wall is peeling, the paint is coming off. So I'm just going to quickly tidy up, not do the spring cleaning, because I don't do spring cleaning. Nah, I'm a lazy madam. I don't do spring cleaning. Whenever I feel like I have to clean, I just clean at that time. The hype of saying this is spring, we do spring cleaning, no, it's not for me, because the energy is not giving. I'm always like tired. My weekend is very small. I think weekend has got 2 hours, the whole of Saturday and Sunday, because I work 9 to 5 and I believe my weekends are for resting. Now I am gonna take time and use it for hard labor like laundry. Laundry makes me tired, guys, and especially because I do not wash in my house. I just wash there at my mother's place because we have insufficient water, and washing with hands, I'm over it. I'm just over it. So I needed the machine also. So enjoy the video, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Guys, one will ask, why am I having those fleas on my couch? I do have those fleas on my couch, and by the way, that one, it was electrified. You know that thing that is choking, the cloth that is choking, it was choking. So it tinted the electrons there or it can choke. So the reason I am placing those fleas there, guys, I don't want to get worked up or have a big heart. No, I don't want to be washing my couch covers now and then, because removing those things and putting them on, it's too much. I am putting them for my son specifically. He goes out in the dust and come back and just climb there. So if he climbs on the fleece, then I'll just take it out and wash it now and then without any effort. So I think the blue one has been there for the past year. The gray one, I bought it this year, and it's the one that it's matching perfectly. So I'm thinking I must get another gray one, so that the couch should be at least having similar colors. But I'm not complaining, the fleece are working just fine. Let me tell you the story of that small gas cylinder there. It's not mine. It's not mine. We wanted to at least give it a try to fix the fridge again, but we couldn't. It was windy. We wanted to switch it on like 24 hours uninterruptedly, but we couldn't. Unfortunately, my daily gas cylinder got finished beforehand. It got finished 2 weeks before the usual time, so I took over the 9 kg cylinder and use it for my household. When it's finished, it's gonna go back to where it belongs. We just wanted to fix the fridge, but I guess it came in handy for me. in this video I'm not gonna put the fleece now, just for the video. Guys, I miss my naked couch. I miss my couch being like this. And if you are here, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you watched the ads too. Hope you subscribe, you didn't forget, like the video and share. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Guys, I appreciate everything that you are putting in this channel. I appreciate your effort by watching a full length and watching the ads. I'll see you next time. Bye.